Michelle here with Strawberry, and today I am so excited to share with you this special 2 to 4 girl box that I packed for Operation Christmas Child. I have not packed any boxes on a theme this year except for this one, and it is a little cowgirl theme, and I think you're going to like it. Okay, so here's the box, and this is what she's gonna see when she opens it up. And let's just get to it. So, I have a notebook and a My Little Pony coloring book. I would have liked to have had a cowboy coloring book, but this was in my stash already, and we are just like 2 weeks out for Shoebox Collection Week, and I'm like, I want to get this box out because we are not promised tomorrow, and I don't want to save this for next year. I want some little girl to be able to enjoy it this year. Okay, y'all see this? Isn't this adorable? This little Thai horse is so soft. Like, the fur is seriously really soft, and it's so cute. And I have to tell you that a couple of ladies at my church helped me with this box because I told them I was trying to make this box, and Diana and April went looking and they found this little horse for me, and I am so grateful because he's adorable. My friend Connie saw some of the things in my box and the colors, and she gave me some scrunchies to put in the box because the whole box was designed on something that's hiding down in the bottom. So we'll get to that. Diana also found this set of plastic horses. I think that one's a donkey and this one's a cow. And I have this glass, drinking glass, that has fence pieces and Play-Doh in it. So we got the Play-Doh, and then we've got these little fence pieces that connect together so that you can make a little corral for your horses. How fun is that? I think some little girl is going to love being able to play with her horses. And Diana also found me this cute little rubber duck who's wearing a cowboy hat. How cute is that? I like to put in a dancing ribbon ring that I make in all of my little girl 2 to 4 boxes, and so this is her dancing ribbon ring. Her pencil case is like this red and white checked makeup bag that I had. I just thought it was cute and would be fitting. It's got some blue floral on the inside. And y'all wait, y'all know I live in Texas, right? I got a Texas size and Texas shaped eraser to put in this pencil pack. We have a bunch of pencils and a toothbrush. We have a pair of scissors, some pencil erasers that go on the top, a pencil sharpener, and some glue. I always like to have glue in my pencil packs. Okay, and we've got a box of crayons. Are y'all ready for it? You ready for what inspired the entire box? So, I haven't sewn much this year, and I was like, I need to sew, and I need to sew for Operation Christmas Child. And I looked through my fabric stash, and somebody had recently donated this fabric, and it just spoke to me, and I had to make the dress. So, she's gonna get this a cute little dress. Can y'all see that? It's got a ruffle at the bottom, and it's got cowboys and horses on it, and it's got little sleeves, a little peasant sleeve dress. And I had so much fun making this dress, and I think it turned out so cute. And so after I made this dress, I wanted to do a themed shoebox, and I would not have been able to do this theme without my friends Diana and April and Connie. Thank y'all so very much. Alright, so she gets this little dress. This is a straw that goes with her drinking glass. A note from me. a red bandana because every cowgirl needs a red bandana, and also a red backpack. I think this little girl is going to love this box, being able to play with her horses. And tell me what you think. Do you think she's going to like this box? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'm going to put it all back and show you how I do it. First goes the flat things on the bottom. So I'm going to put in that backpack and the bandana. And somebody said once that they like to leave the strings of the backpack out and put them in 3N, so I've been doing that lately. I don't know. I am wearing my Alpaca Shoebox Will You t-shirt, and it is available on my Etsy store, and I'll leave the details below, and it comes in lots of different colors. Did I show y'all the multi-click pen? It's got like a donut on the top and it's got all these colors. Isn't that fun? Well, this is what it's going to look like this time because I did not pack it back the same way. And of course, the most important thing to put in your box is prayer. Toodles!